Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum to all the dear students. I welcome you all in the new session, New Year, New Beginning. And here is the first topic, first chapter of class 8 for the subject Computer Studies. And the chapter name is Fundamentals of Computer, and this is part 1. And here is your teacher, Miss Asma. The topics included in this particular lecture are computer, number 1. Number 2 is evolution of computer. Number 3, different eras of computer. Number 4, inventions and time period of different eras. So first of all, what is basically computer or introduction to computer? A computer is an electronic data machine or device that performs, processes, calculations, and operations based on instructions provided by a program. Computers are now used vastly in every field of life, that is business, industry, education, banking, transportation, research, entertainment, etc. आप फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगनिंग फ्रॉम द प्री क्लासेस और जूनियर क्लासेस पढ़ते आए हैं कंप्यूटर के बारे में एंड नाउ डेज कंप्यूटर इज़ बेसिकली अ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ वंस लाइफ. जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस कोई प्रोग्राम या यूज़र कंप्यूटर को देता है, कंप्यूटर के अकॉर्डिंगली अपने फंक्शंस को परफॉर्म करता है, सारी प्रोसेसिंग्स करता है, जो कि मुख्तलिफ पार्ट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर मिलके करते हैं. So computer nowadays is basically part of each and every department of our life, whether it is business or industry or education like we are doing now, or in the banking sector or entertainment sector, etc. After that, the second part is evolution of computer. The computers which we see today are modern shape of computers which have been evolved since centuries. कई सौ सालों से ये कंप्यूटर बनते 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 आज हमारे सामने जो हैं ये बहुत ही मॉडर्न शेप, मॉडर्न साइज और बहुत ही एडवांस टेक्निक्स से मिलकर बन रहे हैं. The evolution of computer is generally divided into the following 3 eras. और वो कौन कौन से हैं? नंबर 1, मैकेनिकल एरा और डार्क एज. इसमें जो हमारे पास डिफरेंट इन्वेंशंस हुई उन सब के नाम आप देख रहे हैं अपनी स्क्रीन पर. एंड दैट इज नंबर 1 अबाकस, ठीक, नंबर 2 नेपियर्स बोन्स, नंबर 3 स्लाइड रूल, नंबर 4 पास्कलिन और पास्कल्स कैलकुलेटर, नंबर 5 लेबनीज कैलकुलेटर, and number 6 Babbage's difference and analytical engines. The second era is electromechanical era or the Middle Age, and the main invention was Hermann Hollerith's tabulating machine. And the third and last is electronic era or modern age. Now after this we will see the major inventions and the time periods of these different eras, and the number 1 is mechanical era or dark age. In mechanical era, human became successful to make simple machines that perform simple arithmetic operations, that is computing. These machines were manually operated, and some of the important machines of this era are number 1 abacus, and that is almost 3000 BC years old. It was invented about 5000 years ago, and it was used to teach basic arithmetic operations, and it was the first computer prototype. Number 2 is Napier bones, and it was invented by a Scottish mathematician John Napier in the year 1612. Napier bones contains 10 rods made up of bones, wood or metal, and it was used for multiplication and division purposes. Here you can see the picture of abacus, and this is Napier bonds. Number third is slide rule. It was invented by an English mathematician, William Oughtred, and it was basically consists of pair of two movable rules placed side by side, a standardized set of markings called scales, and slide rule was used to multiply and divide the numbers. Number 4 is Pascaline or Pascal's calculator. It was invented by a French mathematician, Blaise Pascal, and it was a mechanical calculator called Pascaline. It can perform addition and subtraction up to 8 figures. Number 5 is Leibniz calculator, and it was invented by a German mathematician, Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, and it was the first calculator that could perform all four arithmetic operations. And what were they? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. All the four basic arithmetic operations were calculated by or done by the Leibniz calculator. इससे पहले आपने देखा कि किसी पे आप मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, किसी पे आप एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन कर रहे हैं, बट Leibniz calculator was the first one which was able to perform all the four basic arithmetic operations. Here is the picture of the slide rule. As you can see, two different type of rules side by side. This is Pascal's calculator and this is Leibniz calculator. Number 6 and the last is Babbage's difference and analytical engine. It was the major invention, major invention. How you will come to know? The Charles Babbage, English mathematician, a mechanical engineer by the profession, and known as the father of the computer, because he developed the first computing machine. Difference engine, it was an automatic mechanical calculator, large machine made of metal and powered by steam. It was used to allow user to enter calculations and get printed results. Designed analytical engine as well in the year 1837, and it was designed using punch card and contained integrated memory. Okay, and the second era is electromechanical era or the Middle Age. It starts from the mid of the 19th century, and scientists became able to develop faster and more accurate computing machines. Here is the picture of the Babbage's difference engine, and this was the analytical engine. The major invention of the Middle Age or the electromechanical era was Hermann Hollerith's tabulating machine. It was invented by American inventor Hermann Hollerith, and it was first used in the year 1890 in US census and took only 6 months to compile. इससे पहले जब US में census किया गया था तो उसको काफ़ी साल लगे थे, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द हर्मन हॉलरिथ tabulating machine it was possible only in 6 months to perform all the census or to compile all the record. It became very famous and used in many offices of the US government. The third and the last is the electronic era or the modern age. The advancement in the vacuum or electron tube gave birth to electronic era. In this era, true computers were invented which worked on the principle of input, store, process and output. ये बेसिक 4 ऑपरेशंस होते हैं कंप्यूटर के, जिन पे सारा काम जो है, सारे प्रोसेसिंग जो है कंप्यूटर की वो चल रही होती है, इंस्ट्रक्शंस जो दी जाती हैं, जो प्रोसेसिंग इंटरनली होती है और आउटपुट या रिजल्ट जो हमें मिलता है फाइनली. Advancement in electronic engineering increased in efficiency and speed of computers. The electronic era may be categorized in generations on the basis of technology used to build computers. And those generations are first generation of computer, second generation of computer, third generation of computer, fourth generation of computer, and the last fifth generation of computer that is still continue like present and beyond. जो जो मेजर इन्वेंशंस हैं, जो जो टेक्निक्स यूज्ड हुई हैं, जिन जिन एरियाज में डिफरेंट टाइप के कंप्यूटर्स यूज हुए हैं, different sizes के, different purposes के, वो सब we will discuss in detail in these generations topic, and these topics we will discuss in the next part of the same chapter. Here you can see the picture of the tabulating machine. This is how it looks like. So students, हम remaining जो इस chapter के topics हैं वो अपने next part में cover करेंगे. Until then, all of you are requested कि आप इस video को carefully देखें और जो topics यहाँ cover किए गए हैं वो आप अच्छे से read करें, सुनें और उनको understand करें. And the remaining we will do next time. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.